It is Constitution Day today, and you had both sides of the spectrum, the government and the opposition, come out in celebration. But what was difficult to miss is the politics around it. Constitution has been one issue that has found resonance, especially where elections, political campaign and politics is concerned. This Constitution Day, things were no different as political.
It's Constitution Day, in a year where the Constitution of India has held center stage in political discourse.
आस्ते आस्ते नरेंद्र मोदी, आरएसएस और बीजेपी इस किताब को खत्म करने में लगे।
आपातकाल लगा दिया गया था, इमरजेंसी थोप दी गई थी, भारत के संविधान का गला घोंट दिया गया था। संविधान की हत्या करने वाले पापियों को नहीं भूलना चाहिए।
All of this in the backdrop, and India marked Constitution Day today at the Central Hall of Samvidhan Sadan, even as politics erupted alongside the celebrations. Constitution Day is observed every year on November 26 to mark the adoption of India's constitution. Officially declared in 2015, the day aims to promote awareness about constitutional values, duties, and citizens' fundamental rights. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, and Union Ministers attended the program. President Murmu addressed both houses of parliament, calling the constitution the backbone of India's democracy.
आज तारीख 26 नवंबर 1949 ईस्वी को एतद द्वारा इस संविधान को अंगीकृत, अधिनियमित और आत्मार्पित करते हैं। हम भारत के लोग
Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to citizens and lawmakers to strengthen the constitution and protect India's democratic framework. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi pledged to shield the constitution and defend its core values, calling on citizens to defend constitutional values. Rahul said, and I quote, "Let us pledge that we shall not allow any assault on the constitution in any manner whatsoever," unquote. Sharing a post on X, Banerjee paid tribute to the Constitution with a sharp warning, stating that at a time when democracy is at stake, secularism is in endangered situation and federalism is being bulldozed. We must protect the valuable guidance that the Samvidhan provides. But the day's solemnity soon gave way to a political face-off.
बीजेपी, आरएसएस के लोग संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाने में व्यस्त है। इसीलिए आज संविधान के प्रति इनका ये सम्मान केवल दिखावा है, ढोंग है और लोगों को बताने के लिए ये काम कर रहे हैं।
कांग्रेस पार्टी की 4 पीढ़ियां लगातार भारत के संविधान और भारत के संविधान निर्माता के खिलाफ काम करती रही। पूज्य डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर का लगातार अपमान कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया।
From ceremonial tribute in Parliament to political sparring outside it, Constitution Day once again became a reminder that India's supreme law remains both a unifying force and a battleground in national politics. Bureau Report, India Today.